Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's choose the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be, for example, the calendar, and let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all you have to do is simply use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for about 2 seconds. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down for about 2 seconds. And you just capture another screenshot. You may also use the second method of taking screenshots. Let's just knock twice on your screen. Let me do it. Let me do it again. Just knock twice. And you just capture a screen. Let me show you one more time. Knock twice. Sometimes you have to do it twice, and you can save the screen in that way. You may also use the upper bar, and here you can use the screenshot icon. The screenshot is right here. Let's tap it. So let me do it again. Just open the upper bar, choose screenshot, and you just save the following screen. So if you would like to edit, share or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. So let me find and select the gallery. Here you've got photos from today. You can also choose albums, choose the screenshots album, choose your screenshot, and now you can share, delete or do whatever you want with the following screenshots. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.